Parts of a country behind the coast or a river bank. Parts of a country behind the coast or a river bank. Hinterland, hinterland. The sound made by a snake. The sound made by a snake. Hiss, hiss. Very dramatic, histrionic, very dramatic, histrionic. A container for housing honeybees. A container for housing honeybees. Hive, hive. To secretly store more than what is allowed. To secretly store more than what is allowed. Hold, hold. Destruction or slaughter on a mass scale. Holocaust, holocaust. Killing of a person by another. Killing of a person by another. Homicide, homicide. All of the same, similar kind of nature. All of the same or similar kind of nature. Homogeneous. Words that are spelled and pronounced in the same way but have different meanings. Homonyms, homonyms. A mass of wax cells built by honeybees to store honey. A mass of wax cells built by honeybees to store honey. Honeycomb. A payment given for professional service. A payment given for professional service that are rendered nominally without charge. Honorarium, honorarium. Holding an office without receiving a pay. Honorary. Holding an office without receiving a pay. Honorary. Known for its deserving respect or admiration. Business particles. Practice. Known for its deserving respect or admiration. Business practice and honest and fair ethical standards. Honorable, honorable. The sound of an owl hoot. The sound of an owl hoot. A large group of people hold. A large group of people hold. The line where the land and sky seems to meet. The line where the land and sky seems to meet. Origin, origin. Something that is extremely unpleasant. Something that is extremely unpleasant. Horrendous, horrendous. The study of growing garden plants. The study of growing garden plants. Horticulture, horticulture. One who studies the art of gardening. One who studies the art of gardening. Horticulturist, horticulturist. Friendly and welcoming to visitors. Friendly and welcoming to visitors. Hospitable, hospitable. Receiving guests warmly. Receiving guests warmly. Hospitality, hospitality. A person who is kept captive. A person who is kept captive for fulfillment of demands of money and condition. Hostage. A woman who entertain guest. A woman who entertain guest. Hostess, hostess. One who loses temper very soon. One who loses temper very soon. Hot-headed, hot-headed. Annoyed or irritated and quick to take offense. Annoyed or irritated and quick to take offense at petty things. At petty things. Huffy, huffy. The organic component of soil. The organic component of soil formed by the decomposition of leaves and other plant material. Humus. The organic component of soil formed by the decomposition of leaves and other plant material. Humus, humus.